Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to request a quote. This video is for you if you are a school or organization paying for one or more teachers to have a subscription. So without further ado, let's get started. From ellii.com, click Pricing at the top, or click the Pricing and Sign Up button in the middle of the screen. This will bring you to our pricing page. First, change the currency at the top if necessary by clicking the arrow and choosing the appropriate one, and then click Get Quote from the organization column. You can also view all of the features the organization plan comes with by scrolling down. Once you've clicked Get Quote, it's time to enter your information and the number of teachers you're purchasing the subscription for. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right, or enter the number of teachers you are purchasing for with your keyboard. If you're purchasing for 15 or more teachers, you can request a demo and/or a free trial by checking off the boxes below. Underneath the amount of teachers, you'll also see the option to add English App Access. English App is a self-study library that allows your students to work on their own without having you assign any work to them. You can click the question mark to the right to get more information about English App, and click Learn More at the bottom to be brought to our English App information page. Once back on the quote page, enter all the necessary information. Under Administrator Information, check off if this person is the same as the purchaser. If so, check off Same as Purchaser. If not, enter the necessary information. And if the administrator is also using the account as a teacher, make sure to answer yes or no. If yes, make sure they are included in the number of teachers you're purchasing the subscription for. Once all the necessary information has been added and you're ready to go, click the blue Get a Quote button on the right-hand side. A quote will be emailed to you with further instructions. If you do not receive it, please check your spam or junk folder or reach out to us. Quick note, we do accept purchase orders. Once you receive your quote, you can email your purchase order to hello@ellii.com, which you can find written in the captions and in the description of this video as well. That's it for this video on how to request a quote. We're excited to get you started with Ellii. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.